So, this is it. Then demolished and gone. If her name is Sabrina, then probably that tear down go through. She a police and probably she give her word and whatever. So, this is what it look like right about now. See one piece of furniture here, so see one deep freeze there. So, me no know. This is devastating. Me see well, me see the two, what them be me a MP, whatever, but they are late. They are late. See our Tessie house here, me backside and boot. See Tessie house there, it done. Everything on the front here, so them a clean off. Every striking thing what they on the front. See our things them there. Me don't know what me go do or how me go about this, you know. Trust me. This is hard. This is heartless. This is what you do to the people who vote for you. And this you do to the people who vote for you. And put you in a power. This is what you do to people who vote for you. My God. You have the people where nowhere in your heart. Nowhere in your heart. It's all about you. Yeah? And this is gone international, worldwide. People live on so wherever else you have planned to do new development. You not go along somewhere else go do it. You not go along somewhere else go do it. And this is the victory that the people vote for you and get. This is the victory. Where is the heart of the people, the leaders of this country? Where is it? Where is their heart? They not got no heart. You can't vote for people and then turn around, you try to build one place to put over your head for you and your family, and this is what they do to you. I don't have them in a power. So now they vote for people. No, sir. What can go so? See my cousin house there. This is my sister house. See my cousin house over here, so. This need more than justice, man. This need more than justice. Where is the heart of the people them what they call themselves? So them are the leaders of community. Where are they at this point? Where are they? Where are they? Where them there? Where them there? They say they lead people. Oh, you feel build up one tattoo and a hotel. And you come now in an early morning, take away all of them man, them like them a criminal, gone with them, left woman by themselves for do what? Who you thinking? One of the things say? One of the things say?
I'll give it 2 weeks.
2 weeks for do what?
To move.
Then to the start 2 weeks, after them mash on your house, where you go move out? What you have to take down? What you have to move?